with Sydney and Sam. I thought, this is not the home for Sam. This isn't. Sam would be much better going to a different home. Poor old Sydney is stressed out. I was a dumb decision bringing the dog in here, and you've proven me wrong. You've proven to me that you are 100% dedicated, that your dogs mean more to you than I first thought, and that you have worked really, really hard to improve their quality of life together. And for that, I applaud you.
Thank you.
I now think that this home is a really good home for Sydney and for Sam.
Great.
Wonderful. So tell me, is Sam staying?
Of course.
Yes. Sam will definitely stay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely very excited that we got Victoria's approval and her wishes for us to keep Sam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you
Fantastic.
so much.
All right. Well, well done.
Thank you.
Many congratulations
Thank
to
you.
you. Keep on, okay?
We will.
All right.
Thanks.
Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. This was a success for me. I had to work really, really hard, but I love challenges, so bring them on.
It's pretty cool that at the beginning, Victoria was so not thrilled with the situation and I really thought we were going to have to give him up, but now we get to keep him.
Programmet presenteres av Expedia reisebytte. Underholdningsportalen